You're here early?
Yeah, I planned to come late, but ended up waking up earlier than usual.
Sounds like a sign of someone about to go on holiday.
Or a sign of someone who doesn't know what to do on the weekend.
Those two are sometimes the same.
Same drink as usual?
Yeah, black coffee, less ice. I want to be awake but not too awake.
The common state of adults.
What about you? You look like you're in the state of turned off work notifications but the brain hasn't.
Spot on. I turned off company email last night, but this morning I still habitually open my phone to check if anyone messaged.
And, of course, nothing important.
Just promotion notifications and some group chats that have been silent for months suddenly coming alive.
So, what's your holiday plan? Don't tell me it's stay home and sleep.
I plan to go to the beach. Not too far. Just far enough not to run into anyone I know.
Sounds like a life or death goal.
Actually, I just want to try waking up in a place where no one knows who I am.
Sounds like starting life over.
Not to that extent. Just being a simpler version of myself.
The version that doesn't need to reply to messages in 3 seconds?
Exactly. And doesn't need to think about what to eat tonight to feel less tired.
I get it. Lately, every decision, even small ones, makes people feel tired.
Because you're always afraid of choosing wrong.
Or afraid of missing out on something.
Do you feel that? Like no matter where you are, you feel like you should be somewhere else.
Yes. Sometimes when sitting still, my mind runs far away.
So for this holiday, where do you plan to go?
I haven't decided. Maybe a small town, where evenings don't have many entertainment options, so people have to go home early.
Sounds peaceful.
I want to try the feeling of doing nothing without feeling guilty.
That's hard. We're used to having to be doing something.
Yeah, even resting needs a valid reason.
Maybe holidays are just an excuse to allow ourselves to slow down.
Do you remember the last time you truly rested?
Not sure. Maybe when we were still in school, when summer seemed like it would never end.
Back then, we just wanted to grow up fast. And now?
We just want time to slow down a bit.
Do you think this holiday will be different?
Maybe not much different. But just one morning waking up without rushing. I already think it's worth it.
I like the feeling of mornings in a faraway place. Everything is unfamiliar, so no one expects anything from you.
Yeah, no roles, no responsibilities, just a person drinking coffee.
Like right now.
But different in that right now, I'm still thinking about all sorts of things.
It's okay. Thinking is also a way to rest, if you don't blame yourself for thinking too much.
You always talk so lightly.
Not really. I'm just used to hiding tiredness under light words.
Oh, so, for this holiday, remember to let yourself be truly tired.
You too. Don't try to turn the holiday into a project to complete.
Promise. At least for 2 days.
That's enough.
If this holiday has nothing special.
At least it gives us a breathing space.
Yeah. And sometimes, that's enough to keep going.
Did you really go watch a movie yesterday?
Yeah. At first, I planned to stay home. But in the end, I didn't want to be alone.
So, did you go alone or with someone?
Alone. It felt strange.
Strange how?
Like walking into the theater, surrounded by people in pairs or groups, and me with one ticket, one popcorn, not waiting for anyone.
Sounds both free and a bit lonely.
Right. But strangely, when I sat down, I felt light.
Because no need to talk?
Because no need to care about anyone else's emotions but my own.
Sounds a bit selfish.
Maybe. But it's a rare time I allow myself that.
How was the movie?
Not spectacular. No intense climax. Just about an ordinary person living a very ordinary life.
Sounds like most people's lives.
Yeah. The main character doesn't succeed brilliantly, nor fail miserably. Just each day passes, he tries to live a bit more decently.
And that moved you?
Yeah. There's a scene where he sits on the bus, looks out the window, and wonders, if I disappeared today, would anyone notice?
That question hurts.
Not because it's sad, but because it's too real. I think everyone has asked themselves that at least once.
Probably more than once.
Maybe. But the movie doesn't try to answer that question. It just lets the character sit still, breathe, and continue the new day.
Sounds like real life.
Right. No climax. No swelling background music. Just continuation.
Were you disappointed? Because the movie didn't give that satisfying feeling?
No. On the contrary, I felt comforted.
What's wrong?
Because it told me, you don't need to always be special. Just existing is enough.
That sounds like a hug.
Yeah, a hug without words.
I think many people need movies like that more than flashy ones.
Maybe because life out there is noisy enough.
So, when watching a movie, people just want peace.
Exactly. And when I left the theater, I realized I was walking slower than usual.
Not because you're tired, but because you don't want to rush?
Yeah, I noticed the street lights, the sound of cars, people laughing, ordinary things I usually overlook.
Maybe that's what the movie wanted to say.
Possibly. That life doesn't need to be brilliant to be worth living.
After hearing that, I suddenly want to go watch a movie alone too.
Try it. No need to tell anyone. No need to post on social media.
Just sit in the dark and watch someone else's story, to forget your own for a while.
Yeah. And when the lights come on, you return to yourself, but lighter.
Did you feel any change after that viewing?
Not much. Just, today I'm not rushing, and I think that's enough.
So, the movie did what it needed to do.
Yeah. Not to impress, but to linger.
Like conversations like this.
Not noisy, no need for conclusions.
Just need someone sitting across, listening.
And not rushing to leave.
Maybe next time we should go watch a movie together.
Yeah. But remember to choose a not too noisy movie.
Don't worry. I like movies that make people silent after watching.
Then it fits.
Have you noticed? Weekends always pass faster than usual.
Yeah. Like time knows it's a day off, so it deliberately runs faster.
And we think there's still plenty of time until we look at the clock.
Then wonder, already?
Yeah. Feels a bit regrettable, even if nothing special happened.
Maybe because we didn't do anything, so we regret it.
Or because we expect too much from those 2 short days.
Possibly. People often place too much hope on the weekend, as if 2 days are enough to fix a whole tiring week.
Sounds a bit cruel.
But true.
Have you ever felt the weekend passes and you haven't had time to rest?
Yes. Many times. Feels like you just sat down and already have to stand up.
I think the reason is we carry too many things from the week over.
Work. Thoughts. Responsibilities.
And things unsaid.
Right. There are things we just leave there, unresolved, and they silently follow us everywhere.
Like a heavy backpack we forget we're wearing.
Until our shoulders start to ache.
Do you often talk to anyone about those things?
Not much. I often think, oh, it's just a small thing.
But those small things add up. They're heavy, too.
Yeah, I just don't want to bother anyone.
I understand. But sometimes sharing isn't to get it solved, but just so you don't carry it alone.
You make it sound so simple.
Because it is simple, we just make it complicated.
Maybe because we're afraid of being judged.
Or afraid of being misunderstood.
Or afraid that after saying it, we don't know what to do next.
But keeping it inside forever isn't easier.
No, it just simmers.
It's raining.
Yeah, lightly. The kind of rain that doesn't get you wet, but enough to make people pause.
I like this kind of rain, not noisy.
Like conversations like this.
No climax, no need for conclusions.
Just real.
Do you feel lighter?
Yes, lighter than when I first arrived.
Me too.
Maybe because today, at least, we didn't rush.
Yeah, no rushing to finish talking, no rushing to appear okay.
Just simply sitting here, chatting idly.
And realizing that sometimes that's enough for a day.
What do you think, when we look back later, what will we remember?
Probably not what we said, but the feeling at that time.
The feeling of being listened to.
And being ourselves, even if just for a moment.
I think, if every weekend has a moment like this,
Then no matter how tiring the week is, it's okay.
yeah,
Next week, shall we sit here again?
yeah, same spot,
Same coffee, same random talk?
and still no need to appear more okay than we are.
Deal.
Yeah, deal.